How's it going, guys? Trucker Tim here from my house today. So I've got some explaining to do. A lot of you guys have been messaging me saying and commenting on videos saying, Tim, where the YouTube videos gone? Well, I'm going to explain it all today in this little video from the house. I'm in the dining room at the moment. I've had this out this morning, crashed it, broke it, had to take it all apart, and the cog had moved, so I had to adjust the cog, but it's all fixed now. Yeah, there she is, all put back together. Mrs. Trucker Tim has gone out. She's asked me to put this washing out, so we'll do that as well. There's a lot of bloody flies in here, so let's get some fly spray. Before we do that, these are my models on here. So this is mine. This is mine on here, and that's my model M3 there. But on there, mine too. I used to work for that company. But my little boy, bless him, finds models he really likes, and he's like, oh, this one needs to go on Daddy's shelf with the special ones. So he's chose this one, which to be fair is a really nice model. He's chose this combine here to go on the special shelf. This crane, this is a special one. Can't play with these ones. They just go on the shelf with Daddy's special ones. And this one here, I put in a little box for him. Look, that's another special one. Bless his heart. You can't touch them. Right, let's get some fly spray. Where's the fly spray? I can't stand flies. Anybody else with me on that? Fly spray, fly spray. Ah, it's up there. It's here. There's one on there, look. Gotcha! Die! Oh no, look, I've made a mess of the window. Oh no. There's one in the kitchen. God, just breathe that in. Right, let's put the washing out. Now, this isn't the type of video I thought I'd ever be doing. Trucker Tim is putting the washing out. Right, let's step outside. Here we are, cut the grass yesterday, look at that. We'll have a look in the shed as well. I'll show you what's in there. Have a little look at the M3 and explain all. Right, let's get this washing out. Right, got my hands full here. This isn't something I do on a regular basis. Well, that's quite easy, just 3 things. I can deal with that. Go. Hey, look at that. That's good, isn't it? Right, first off, I'll show you in this shed here. Because I've not showed any of this on the YouTube side of things. YouTube's just been trucks and vlogs, really. Open this up. There's a rabbit down there. Do you want to be on the vlog? How's it going? There's another one up the top there. They're boring, aren't they? Let's hop in here. So in here, you would have seen on my TikTok, if you follow me on there, but this is my model railway that's currently work in progress, as you can see. Well, it was all up and running, but we had to move house, so I had to move my shed. I haven't put it back together properly yet. There's bits of track missing here. That's all here. Waiting to go back together. Got a crane here for the railway and bits and bobs, some trucks, containers, container lift here. These are the container carriers in these little boxes. It's a bit dark in here. I'm waiting for my uncle to come and wire it all up for me. I've got all the wires here. And these are obviously the strip lights that go up across the top. But waiting for him to get some time to come and do that for me. Some big box of connects down there. But yeah, that's what's in here. Model railway, work in progress. Let me know if you want to see that on YouTube and TikTok and all that. We can document that. It's just getting the time. And time is another reason for the lack of YouTube videos. But we'll get to that in a minute. Ooh, aeroplane. M3's in there. We'll have a look at that as well. Let's go to the garage and explain the YouTube video scenario. There's the Cougar, there's the Daily. Could do with a clean actually. A bit dirty, there's a big cobweb here, look. But in here, ta-da, is the M3, all under its cover, tucked away, on trickle charge. I want to get a C-Tech charger, but I'm currently just using this cheap one here, but it seems to be doing the job, keeping it topped up. Yeah, there she is. Let's go in the garage. So yeah, she's under cover at the moment. Keeping all the dust off, as you can see, look. All the dust on there. Let's just poke our nose underneath. Oh, hello. What a beautiful colour. And then down here, we've got the Porsche GT3 RS and the Lamborghini Cyan there. They're going to be going up on the walls in here eventually. So the plan in here, paint all the walls white, get some shelves up with these as well on the walls. I'd like to get this all boarded out really and have a man cave up there. Plans. How long they're going to take to come together, I don't know, but they're all plans. Have a look at the back. There she is. Look. What a beauty. Tuck her back away. It's going to be featured on the channel more. It's just time. Right, let's get to the point of this video. Put you up on there and we'll have a little chat. Now then, with regards to YouTube, I think I put on like 25 videos, like doing twice a week. But honestly, like, I did enjoy doing them at the start, but then I sort of just, I work. The filming wasn't too bad. It was the editing. Like literally, I film all day, be up at 2 o'clock in the morning, film all day, which is hard work. You have to keep remembering to get your camera out, blah blah blah, film this, film that, and then you get home. It'd take me like 5 hours, 6 hours to edit it as well, on top of all the filming. What I think I'm going to do, I've had a little break from it, as you may have known, but what I think I'm going to do is just probably cut it down to one vlog a week, starting from probably next week, and just do it like that, because 2 a week was too much. Just the time and the effort it takes to do, you wouldn't believe. And then also, obviously, I do TikTok as well, with doing TikToks and YouTube, and then making sure there's stuff on Instagram. You probably think, oh, I was making a YouTube video, just do this and film, and there's a lot more to it than that when it comes to the editing side of things. I spend time with my family at the weekends and in the evenings, so I'll be like gone all day, and in the evening I'll just be sat editing. You have to get the balance right, because I enjoy doing TikTok more than I do YouTube, to be honest. TikTok's a lot easier. You've got like 1 minute videos, 2 minute videos, just quick edit. When you've got 5 hours of footage to edit down to like 30-45 minutes, that's hard, really hard. But yeah, well, it's not hard, it just takes a lot of time. But I am going to do the vlogs still, but they're going to be probably once a week rather than the twice a week. Let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea, or what you think I should do, really. But I want to carry on doing it. Yeah, so there we go, guys. Hope that's a little bit of an explanation there. Ooh. The vlogs will be back, but they'll be probably once a week rather than twice a week. But they are coming back. And yeah, just let me know in the comments as well, anything you want to see, what you want me to do, whether you like this sort of video, day in the life, maybe I'll do one of them as well. But yeah, I'll speak to you later, guys. Cheers!